Now, how the frick am I going to get it down?
It doesn't look hurt. From behind, in fact, it don't look like there's anything. Oh, your rudder's pushed sideways a little bit. Camera running this time?
Yep, it's on.
Sure it's recording?
Well, it's in red record.
Okay. Let's see if this thing
Don't hurt yourself.
I'm going to try to keep my hand out of that prop when I let go of it. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's a little tail heavy. It doesn't want to turn very well. Looked like the battery was up a farther spot. Oh, I couldn't see it there. I just looked down and waited for it to come in sight. There, you should have got it there.
Oh, I got it. If I didn't, you're going to wish I did.
Ow, ow, ow! They're back biting. Yep, the spray wore off.
Saying that, I had turned around, but it was chewing on your ear.
Time remaining 9 minutes.
Oh, God damn it. Son of a bitch, get out of here.
Yep, they're a biter.
Oh, my God.
Oh, there's one biting on my shoulder through my shirt.
Ain't one there.
Oh, missed the trees.
I got one right on the camera, so you're going to see it just... Oh, he moved. Oh, it's gonna... Oh, wait. Land there again, you son of a bitch. Nice. Oh, God damn it.
Corsair time. Well, look at that. He still remembers how to fly after 6 months. Maybe longer. Hey.
Fuck. Oh, goddamn, man. I got to read it. Oh, I knew I had to go in there now. Or I was fucking that too, huh? Yeah.
I think he's trying to ignore you.
I'm concentrating on what I'm doing.
Yeah, he's ignoring you. I talked him into flying the baby stinger today. We wanted to hear that little 4-stroke run again. It's a 26 OS 4-stroke.
I'm a hope. Yeah, that's what they done. This one come back today.
See if it still runs.
That sounds so damn cute.
Yeah, it does. When it's running wide open, it don't sound like it's wide open.
Pump it up, buttercup.
You made it! Tim's showing us his new toy here. He's going to get into magnet fishing down in the lake. He's going to try to find his engine that's in the lake.
2,500 pounds.
How big's the other one?
This one here is, I think it's 1,500 pounds or 1,000 pounds. But one thing you don't ever want to do, don't get them too close.
Oh,
shit.
crap.
Oh,
I'm glad you didn't get your
damn.
finger in there. You wouldn't have had no finger.
I bet you guys can't take it apart.
He said he was real strong. I guess he's not very strong, is he? There's no way I'd get him apart.
Dave, I'm going to crash your plane. Larry, you want to try and pull us apart? Come on, you want to try and pull us apart first? Doug, you want to try?
I think Tim's going to show us how it's done here shortly.
Yeah, let's go.
It ain't going to use no
I'm gonna show
arm
you
muscle doing it.
I'm going to show you how to take a set of magnets apart without killing yourself. The first thing you do,
Just don't kill anybody else, too.
you get your tool you made. You
Our
just-
stake pulling tool.
Yep, homemade. Go to a back of any truck.
Preferably Tim's. Hold on, let me go to the other side. You think you can actually get them apart?
Borrow one of their chains.
Yeah.
Hook it to one magnet. Take your special tool that you got. Hook it to the other magnet. And then jerk it apart.
Wow, he got it apart. I didn't expect it to come apart that easy.
Oh, that was tough though.
Woo-wee!
That bug got.
He's gonna get his finger in there yet.
Nah,
He's gonna show us how it's done.
I'll make that puppy blister bad, wouldn't I? Good grief. I guess I better take this one and go magnet fishing.
Yeah, I guess so.
Wow.
Let's see what Larry's got going on down here.
I'm trying to get to my table.
Huh. Hangs all the stuff in front of his table, so then he can't get it out. Yep. Perfect landing. That cute little baby muffler.
Down there.
Yep. Keeps changing on. Sounds really good idling. It'll take you another month though to get painted.
Absolutely.
Maybe mine will be done before your cowling. We're going to see this fly again today with a bigger engine on it. First flight was a 65, now he's got an 80. Did you build this one?
No, this was a
ARF?
ARF. Yeah.
Whoa! What are you doing down there? Oh.
I got the CG marked out on it.
Oh. Yeah, it was ready to land.
3 feet
Jeez. Another 3 foot, you'd have been on the field. Getting something else out over here, Tim?
No, I'm gonna put that kayak in here.
Ooh.
I don't want to damage my trailer anymore. One day I need to fly this one.
Today.
It's almost 2 o'clock. I gotta get ready to go.
Oh. There, he's moving planes so we can get that greenie thing in there. That greenie weenie. That thing's bright. You wouldn't be able to lose it.
Smeared. So I probably have 20 of them for landing it, and they have the molds for it. So I ordered one. It's supposed to be in tomorrow. Yeah, a little bit rough.
Hit kind of a dusty spot there.
Yeah.
Brent,
Huh?
that land ate you up, buddy.
Yeah.
Well, anyhow.
Didn't have any trouble taking off this time.
We got a lot of power in that there plane.
Uh-oh.
I throttle back.
Okay.
When I went into that hard hole, it needs to be opened up about 2 clicks. Well, you're right about them things biting.
Yep. You get out in the sun and they really come after you. Oh, you're right in the swamp. That's why it stopped right there.
Hey Larry,
Yes, sir.
that looked like a Tim landing.
A what?
A Tim landing.
What's that mean?
Me.
Oh, Tim landing. I got you. Okay.
You got a lot of hours on it.
As soon as I put that on there.
Whoa! It hit that hump and went airborne.
Oh, that thing's moving.
That was a little slower than last time.
What if we used to try running it and somebody from behind held their finger over that? He's going back up because of the camera operator.
Yeah, that did land nice compared to what he did the last time.
He's going to do it again.
Hopefully.
It did, and he went across the field the other way. He still didn't hardly get it.
It's recording this time.
Oh,
Ooh, that was still good.
I hit that hump right there.
You redeemed yourself. You did away with the bounce.
Ow. 1 minute over.
You going back up again?
I got
Wow.
another land. Whoa.
Oh!
What happened?
It did a sideshow on me and I didn't like it, like that. That's all right, I'll start over.
Take off into the wind.
I could take off and the wind says it's coming this way again.
Yeah.
That makes Larry nervous every time I do that. Alright, let's see how good I can land it this time. The wind's holding me up.
Oh, crap.
Oh. I don't think it's hurt.
I hope not. It's still in the tree.
Is it in a tree?
Yep,
I can see it.
I can see it.
I should have stayed on the ground.
Larry told you had to have.
How the frick am I going to get it down?
It doesn't look hurt. From behind, in fact, it don't look like there's anything. Oh, your rudder's pushed sideways a little bit.
Well, I said it turned.
Oh yeah. I think if you keep shaking, it's coming. There, she's coming down.
Oh, the tail's broke, but that's all right.
I'm thinking it's hanging on the wheel. I don't think it's gonna bounce off of it.
Now it's too short.
Ah, damn. Yeah, it is hanging by the wheel, but it's just hanging by wee little them vines. He's almost got it. And deer fly's biting. Oh, it looks good.
Yep,
Just that.
All fixable.
Be easy fix. Other than that piece of plastic missing, but you can fix it
What
without
if I
that.
find that? Doubt it.
Oh yeah, it is a pretty long piece. Look at the other side.
Yeah. Oh yeah, maybe I can find it.
Did you get it turned off?
Oh.
Nope.
Okay. Gotta be right here somewhere.
Wow, it's pretty thick down there though.
Oh, here it is.
Wow! That'd be nice to have.
Yep. That's a big piece.
Yeah.